Welcome to Useful AI Hacks, your go-to source for the latest in artificial intelligence news. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking updates from some of the biggest names in AI, including OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Grok, and more. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a seasoned professional, there's something here for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the ever-evolving world of AI together. First up, we have OpenAI making headlines for their new venture, OpenAI for Countries. This initiative aims to provide governments with cutting-edge AI tools to support democratic values and prevent authoritarian misuse. In collaboration with tech visionary Sir Jony Ive, OpenAI is also working on creating a human-centered AI device that prioritizes ethics. And if you're a fan of AI video creation, Microsoft now has integrated OpenAI's Sora video creator into Bing, allowing free access without a ChatGPT subscription. I suggest you try it out today. There's exciting times ahead for AI enthusiasts because Anthropic, the company, has been seeing a remarkable 200% increase in revenue, thanks to the success of their Claude AI family. They're also affecting top talent from industry giants like OpenAI and DeepMind by offering competitive salaries and non-compete agreements. However, CEO Dario Amodei, sure I didn't pronounce that right, has raised concerns about AI's impact on the job market, predicting that 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs could disappear to AI within 5 years. This has sparked intense debate about the future of work in the AI era. Next, let's talk about DeepSeek, which is pushing the boundaries with their R1-0528 model. This open source update is challenging the likes of ChatGPT 4.0 or 4.0 rather, and Google's Gemini, with enhancing reasoning and coding capabilities. Despite being significantly lighter than its competitors, DeepSeek's model is proving to be a formidable contender in the AI space. Released under the MIT license, this model offers exciting possibilities for developers looking to innovate. And in the realm of chatbots, Grok is making waves with its recent $300 million deal with Telegram, allowing for broader reach and revenue sharing. While Grok's unique non-woke stance has stirred controversy, it highlights the ongoing ideological debates within the AI community. Meanwhile, Grok's critique of Elon Musk's Doge administration adds another layer to its competitive narrative. And lastly, we look at other significant players in the AI arena. Thomson Reuters is revolutionizing professional workflows with their Agentic AI platform, which aims to automate complex tasks in legal and compliance sectors. Meta is also set to transform ad creation and targeting using generative AI, promising more dynamic and effective marketing strategies. Well, that's all for today's AI News Roundup. From innovative partnerships to trailblazing technologies, the AI landscape is consistently evolving. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay ahead of the AI curve, be sure to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks for more daily insights and analysis in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.